In this video, we are going to talk about the nth root of a real number. In the previous video, we talked about the square root and the cube root. Now, the nth root can be any number, okay? So it could be the fourth root, the fifth root, any number. Now, the nth root of a number is the inverse operation of the number raised to the power n. So if the root is odd, then the nth root of a negative number exists in R. If the root is even, then the nth root of a negative number does not exist in R. Example, here the root is the fifth root, and we have a negative under the fifth root. So a negative number under an odd root, it exists, and the answer is -2, because -2 to the power 5 is -32. So the inverse operation of the nth root or the fifth root of -32 is -2. Now here we have the fourth root of -625. Now, -5 raised to the fourth power is +625, so it cannot be negative. So the fourth root of a negative number will not exist in R. Here we have the eighth root of -7 to the power 16. Minus raised to an even number becomes plus, so we can rewrite it as the eighth root of 7 to the 16. And the 16 we can rewrite it as 7 to the 2 all to the 8. Now this 8 cancels this 8, and the number obtained will be 7 to the 2. Now, according to the definition of the nth root, we have the nth root of a all to the power n is equal the nth root of a to the n. Now, this n cancels out this n, and we will get a as our answer. Now, here we can write the radical or any radical in a fraction exponent. We have now the seventh root of 5 to the 14. 5 to the 14, we can rewrite it as 5 to the 2 all to the power 7. Now this 7 and this 7, they cancel out, and I will get 5 to the 2 as my answer. Now we have the third root of 2 to the 12. 2 to the 12, we can rewrite it as 2 to the 4 all to the 3. This 3 and this 3 cancels out, so our answer will be 2 to the 4. Now, let's say we have the fourth root of 10 to the 5, okay? So how many 4s are there in 10 to the 5? We have 1. So we can get 1 10 outside, and we will have a remainder of 10 to the 1. So we get 10 outside and the fourth root of 10. Because there are 1 4 in a 5 and the remainder is 1. So each 4 power 4, we can take 1 outside, and we have 1 10 to the 1 remaining. Now, the 2, we got it from dividing 14 by 7. The 4, we got it by dividing 12 over 3. So if we have the nth root of a to the m, we can rewrite it as a to the m over n. The pth root of b, we can rewrite it as b to the 1 over p. The square root of x, we can rewrite it as x to the half. Now we have an example, 8 to the 2 over 3. 8, we can rewrite it as 2 to the 3 to the power 2 over 3. These 3's cancel out, and we will get 2 to the 2, which is 4. Same thing here, 625 is